Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Porta-Fort grenade. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this grenade, and it's actually pretty tricky because of its odd shape, so let's try to take it one step at a time. So we're actually going to draw the inside of it first, so we're going to draw in it's one of those screens. So we're going to draw an arc like this, kind of slanted, and then we're going to draw the opposite arc. So it's kind of the same as this one, but just on the other side. Okay, and then once we have that, we're going to draw another one. So we're going to come across. Let's start here. So we're going to draw a curve like this, and it's slanted this way. That's the center line. And then now we're going to draw the opposite curve. So we're going to come here. So it's almost like two eyeballs. Alright, and then now we're going to draw one more bottom here. Okay, and then we're going to draw the opposite curve of this. So it's kind of like a face, right? Two eyes and a mouth. Alright, so once we have this, now it gets a little bit easier. So we're going to draw the outside. So go ahead and draw in just almost just give that line some thickness. Okay, just draw that first. And then come around here, draw a line here, give this one some thickness. And then on this one, same thing, we're going to draw another line here. Okay, and then once you have those lines, then you just kind of connect them. Not with a straight line, but just with a slight curve. Okay, so it's kind of straight, but there's a little bit of curve to it. So it's a little bit flatter. Alright, so that's the shape, and let's finish it off. And there's gonna be some detail, so we're gonna draw, there's a screw there. Okay, I'll just draw an X. There's another one here. Let's draw an X. And another one here, so everywhere in between these two there's a screw. And then there's gonna be a line going through it, so I'm just gonna make it a little bit thicker. Alright, and I think there's one here too, these lines, because there's 4 of them on each side, on each of the circle. One more. And that's it for this Porta-Fort grenade. It's a pretty simple, but it's also very tricky at the same time. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.